there. My name is Thomas Cutler. I'm the Senior Director of Product Development here at Tranont. Today, we're starting a 3-part series on a new line of products in the hemp space, and we're really excited about each one of them. Those products are Restore, Repair, and Relax. All of these products share a unique basis for really fast-acting and long-lasting benefits. This is due to the absorption technology that we've implemented with our product. This technology, called micellization, helps the body to absorb quickly the full-spectrum hemp fluid, helps it last longer, and helps it drive more absorption. So those are 3 things that you can count on throughout this entire product line: fast-acting, more absorbing, and long-lasting benefits. Let's talk about each one of these products individually. First, let's start with our drops called Relax. Relax will give you 4 measurable, tangible benefits when you consume it. The first of which starts with sleep. So when you take Relax, 1 to 2 milliliters, 15 to 20 minutes before you go to bed, what you're going to notice is you'll go to sleep faster, and you'll also be sleeping for a longer period of time in deep restorative sleep. Something to keep an eye on if you're struggling with getting good, deep restorative sleep. Benefit number 2 has to do with stress and how Relax can help mitigate some of the pulls on our time, demand, and energy, causing us to be a little stressed out. Relax really helps the body and the mind to chill. Kind of take a step back and helps you to think and step outside of yourself a little bit, and helps you to really mitigate that strong stress response. Benefit number 3 deals with stress that happens internally, called oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can happen due to sometimes environmental insults, poor nutrition, lack of exercise. All of these things will build up oxidative stress within our body, and Relax helps to neutralize and reduce those effects, those nasty effects of oxidative stress within our body. The last benefit that comes from Relax is metabolic health, really improved metabolic health. Relax has been shown in clinical studies to improve metabolic parameters like blood sugar levels. Over a course of a 90-day treatment, participants improved their blood sugar levels by 0.5% relative to their placebo counterparts. That 0.5% is in hemoglobin A1C. You see, there's some really strong benefits for sleep, for stress, for oxidative stress, and for metabolic health. So the next product that we're going to discuss is Repair. Remember, all 3 products have micellized full-spectrum hemp fluid. Repair is a gel that's applied topically. It's great for abrasions, for skin irritations, maybe caused by shaving, great for sunburns. In addition to having micellized full-spectrum hemp fluid, it also contains nano silver, so you can see some really nice additive benefits when it comes to the topical application of this gel. It's light, it absorbs really quickly, and again, now that we're heading into summer, it really tackles those nasty sunburns that can often happen when you're out in the sun for too long. The last product we'll talk about today is Restore. Restore is a muscle cream. In addition to the micellized full-spectrum hemp fluid, we've also included and utilized this technology in other ingredients such as a wintergreen mint oil, camphor, aloe vera, and rosemary. And these ingredients combine together along with menthol and others to really alleviate aches and pains in your sore muscles, oftentimes caused by exercise or sometimes just a really hard day of manual labor. It's a great application for it. It's great to help reduce some of the stress buildup maybe in your neck and shoulders. It's easy to apply, really absorbs well, has a very pleasant odor and aroma. Again, all 3 products contain this micellized full-spectrum hemp oil. They're fast-acting, they're long-lasting, and they drive really great absorption. Those are some of the things that you can count on for these products. If you're looking for more information about clinical studies, more information about the products, go visit our website, www.tranont.com, for more information.